We've all been there, scrolling through social media, seeing these incredible destinations, and thinking, that's just not for someone like me. Whether it's the islands of Thailand or the streets of Tokyo, the dream always feels miles away from the reality of your bank account. But here's the truth. A dream trip isn't a matter of luck. It's a matter of math. Today, I'm giving you the universal 12-month financial roadmap to turn impossible into your next boarding pass. By the way, if you want to follow this exact strategy step by step, I've made the complete 12-month planning infographic available for you. You can download it for free using the link in the description below. Phase 1. The foundation. You can't hit a target you haven't defined. You need your magic number. Research the 3 pillars: international flights, accommodation, and daily variable spending. For a 2-week trip to Thailand, let's aim for $3,000. Now, divide that by 12 months. Your travel tax is $250 a month. Phase 2. The saving sprint. This is where most dreams die the budget leaks. Analyze your daily habits. That $7 latte or that streaming service you haven't opened in months? They are costing you your sunset in Phuket. The secret? Pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer to a dedicated travel account the second your salary hits. If you don't see the money, you won't spend it. If you're finding these tips helpful and want more roadmaps to travel the world, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of travelers. Phase 3. The booking window. Between months 5 and 3, things get real. Use digital tools to monitor flight routes. Don't just book on impulse, wait for the price dip. This is also when you lock in your stays. Use maps to find boutique hotels that align with your vibe and your budget. Remember, planning is 90% of the journey. Phase 4. The final touches. In the last 60 days, it's all about logistics. Check your passport validity and get comprehensive travel insurance. Seriously, don't skip this. Finalize your itinerary and exchange a small portion of your budget for local currency. You want to land with peace of mind. A successful trip is just the result of consistent tracking and following the roadmap. Don't forget to download your free planning guide in the description to start your journey today. So, where are you going next? Let me know in the comments. Your journey starts now.